You don't know names of the countries in Russian language? You don't know how to say I am from or I live in? Then watch this video till the end. Привет! Меня зовут Alisa. Hello, my name is Alisa and I am a native Russian speaker. So in today's video, we're gonna learn 8 countries in Russian language. Okay, let's start with the countries. The first 4 you can see on your screen. Let's get going. The first word is Россия or Russia, the Russian Federation. Sound R is a bit challenging here, so you roar, don't forget to roar. R, 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 Россия. Then O, which goes after R, you want to pronounce like A. So you say Россия, Россия, Россия. Then goes the USA, which in Russian is America, America, America. Then you can see there is Germany, which in Russian is Germania, Germania. Again, this R roaring, Germania, Germania. A is stressed, Germania. And Spain, Hispania, Hispania. You see, again, A is stressed, Hispania, Hispania. Okay, great job, but we have 4 more countries to go. And the next country is Italy, or in Russian, Italia. A is stressed, Italia, Italia, Italia. Then we have India, India, India. So E, the first E is stressed. India, India. The next goes Greece, or in Russian, Grecia. Sound R is again a bit challenging, so pay attention to it. Don't forget to roar. Grecia. And of course, sound S is challenging as well. So to pronounce this sound, let's make a combination of 2 sounds T and S. S, S. Okay, then the sound S itself. S, 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 S. Grecia. Grecia, Grecia. And then we have Poland, or in Russian, Polsha, Polsha. Sh, pay attention to this sh sound, Polsha. O is stressed here, Polsha. Wonderful! Now it is time to learn how to ask where are you from in Russian language. It is absolutely easy to do that because to make this whole question, it is very long in English, but in Russian you need only 2 words. So first word is gonna be question word, which sounds like откуда, where from. In Russian it is откуда, откуда. Look, or we again pronounce like A, then combination of 2 consonants, tk, 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 откуда, откуда, откуда. Okay, and then we need personal pronoun you, which informal, which in Russian is ты, ты, откуда ты, откуда ты, откуда ты, привет, откуда ты? Я из России. Well, now let's try to ask the same question but in a formal way. For that, you have to revise personal pronoun, formal personal pronoun you, which in Russian is, you remember? Вы. Вы. Very easy to say. Вы. Okay, let's try to make this question formal question now. Откуда вы? Откуда вы? Здравствуйте! Откуда вы? Я из Испании. Я из Испании. Look at this sentence. Is. What is this? How do you think? Yeah, exactly. This is basically from in English. In Russian, only 2 letters for this preposition. Is. Is. Let's practice it with different countries. Я из России. Я из Испании. Я из Италии. Я из Греции. Я из Польши. Я из Америки. So everything is quite simple, but you really need to learn names of the countries. It's gonna just make your life easier. Now we're gonna learn phrase I live in. For that, in Russian language, we need a verb, which is жить. Жить. Ж, buzzing sound. Ж, жить. Okay, you might know that in Russian language we need conjugations of verbs. In this very video, I'm not going to discuss conjugations, different types of conjugation in Russian language. But what concerns this verb, it belongs to the first type of conjugation. So let's see how we conjugate it properly in Russian language. Of course, firstly, we're gonna repeat, revise, or maybe you will just learn personal pronouns. Great, repeat after me. Я, I, ты, you, informal. Он, he, она. Look, or we pronounce like a, она. But the last "a" is stressed. Она, she. Оно, again, the first "o" we pronounce like "a", but the second, which is stressed, we pronounce like "o". Оно, it. Мы, we. Вы, you, either polite or plural. And они. Они, the first O we pronounce like A. Они, they. Great. Now let's conjugate the verb жить. Я живу. You see that here we take this T ending away and we add V and U. Ву. Живу. Живу. Then ты живешь. Эш. Ты живешь. Живешь. Он живет. Живет. Она живет. Живет. Оно живет. Живет. You can see that on, она, and оно we have the same verb. Живет. Эт at the end. Мы живем. Живем. Вы живете. Живете. Они живут. Живут. In today's video lesson, we're only gonna need this phrase «Я живу». Okay, let's practice it. Я живу в Москве. Я живу в Краснодаре. Я живу в Мадриде. Я живу в Кёльне. Now it is time to practice phrases, names of the countries, everything that we have learned today in the dialogues. So now I'm gonna pronounce the dialogues, which you can see on your screen. Please, when needed, if needed, stop the video and repeat dialogues by yourself. Try to make the same dialogues also by yourself. Okay, let's start. Привет. Как тебя зовут? Привет. Меня зовут Анна. Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Алиса. Приятно познакомиться. Мне тоже. Откуда ты? Я из России. Я живу в Москве. А ты? Я из Италии. Я живу в Риме. Добрый день. Как тебя зовут? Добрый день. Меня зовут Ира. Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Алиса. Приятно познакомиться. Мне тоже. Откуда ты? Я из Испании. Я живу в Мадриде. А ты? Я из Германии. Я живу в Берлине. Доброе утро! Как вас зовут? Здравствуйте! Меня зовут Алиса. Как вас зовут? Меня зовут Олег. Приятно познакомиться. Мне тоже. Откуда вы? Я из России. Я живу в Краснодаре. А вы? Я из Германии. Я живу в Берлине. So for today, this would be it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and the information was useful for you. Well, if it was, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. And remember, learning Russian language is a cool thing to do. See you in the next video. Goodbye.